Now enjoy the video.
Hello, hello, I'm not where I'm supposed to be.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫。
Şu hayata sadece bir kere geliyoruz. Ama eğer
verselerdi bana bir ömür daha, yine çıkardım yola seni bulmaya. Olsam bile dünyanın ötesi.
Cats Coin Challenge.
Hey, don't be surprised if one day I just...
Mama, why do cat people like dogs, but the dogs people don't like the kitty cats?
Sit. Give me some love. Good boy. Stand. Good boy. Nice to meet you. Good.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was very good. We're gonna do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step.
Cat 1. Cat 2. Cat 3. Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
around the world, around the world, around the world.
Watermelon sugar.
Get the cat.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
これ何これ何これ何これ何これ何これ何猫
There's a quick way to get your cat to come over. Tried this on 2 cats.
Hey mommy
Hey, my baby.
Hey mommy これ何これ何これ何これ何これ何これ何猫
What? It's not even 5! No! Why do I need to feed you right now? You literally fed a little while ago. You're the liar.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
I'm a kitty. Never really busy. I love catnip, but it makes me frisky. You know my mood is always tricky, but I'm silly. Yeah, I'm a kitty.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this. And remember to comment down I subscribe. I will do my best to reply every comment I could.